The next solution Smoothtel Data Solution deals with is power backup system. Sasa tumepartner with a company called Dawnice, which offers the best lithium batteries that have a lifespan of over 21 years. So imagine if you're looking to go off grid completely, maybe utaki umechoka na story ya KPLC ama uko kwenye stima ijafika, then you need to have a Dawnice power backup system installed for you. Ama pale kwa ofisi umechoka, stima ikipotea tu hivi hamfanyi kazi, ama mnawasha generator na saibi ya mafuta ndio hiyo iko juu, ndio hiyo mara mafuta sijui hakuna, siku hizi kuna shortage of fuel, you can always move to power backup system. And the lithium batteries have a lifespan of imagine 21 years. For those 21 years, imagine utakuwa una work so well, so effectively without any distractions. So for installations, for surveys, tupigie simu on 0786 5038.